Welcome to Understand the Math. Let's look at some examples of inverse cosine problems. To evaluate arc cosine of minus root 2 over 2, we notice that minus root 2 over 2 lies between minus 1 and 1, so the function's defined. We'll let theta be arc cosine of minus root 2 over 2. So that means that cosine theta is equal to minus root 2 over 2. Cosine is negative, so it's going to be in the second quadrant, and our theta is going to be 3 pi over 4. This tells us that arc cosine of minus root 2 over 2 is equal to 3 pi over 4. To evaluate inverse cosine of 1, we make a note that 1 definitely is between minus 1 and 1, so the function's defined. We'll let theta be inverse cosine of 1, so that tells us that cosine theta is equal to 1, and that means that theta is equal to 0. So our inverse cosine of 1 is equal to 0. The last inverse cosine example we'll evaluate is inverse cosine of minus 3. We'll make a note that minus 3 is not in the interval from minus 1 to 1, so that tells us that inverse cosine of minus 3 is undefined.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.